Kalimera guys, welcome to RentSyst channel, the fleet management solutions for car rental business. This is a special episode for integration guide with accounting system called Oxygen. This is a local Greek provider which is certified to provide you directly integration with the myDATA local platform with the accounting for taxes and invoices. So basically, by such integration, you will be able to connect it your car rental system RentSyst with Oxygen accounting, and there Oxygen accounting deliver your invoices to your myDATA account directly. So this is how it works. In this episode, I want to show you the logic how the works integrations, how you can connect it easily and deliver directly your invoices to myDATA platform. So let's get started. Right now, we located on official page of Oxygen website. So you will need to have a valid active account on Oxygen site. After you will have it, you can go it directly to your RentSyst account. Let's go in. So basically there you will need to navigate it for settings menu, click into integrations and agents and find Oxygen accounting pop-up window. So click on it. You can see there is also some instructions. So you can click on it to find our blog article and post with some of the screenshots with more details to show you. So you can also use it. And you need to have API access token. So this API token you can request from your Oxygen manager, from Oxygen team, and they will be glad to support you and send you such a token. So we will use our test one. And in your case, when you will be connecting, there will be no bottom test mode. So you just need to leave it like it is and connect. When you connect it, the system automatically show you this pop-up window with all the items you need to map. It's called mapping. It means that you need to connect the products list from that you have from RentSyst site. It's located on the left side here. And on the right side menu, there will be the list of the product that you have right now on your Oxygen. You can make it product list on your own manually on Oxygen accounting. There is a tab called warehouse products, categories and variations. But we recommended to go with the automation. It's just, you can see create new service will be there for each unit. You can leave it like it is, and basically I just select my taxes, and the rest of the categories, they will be automatically created on the Oxygen side. So I click save, and by these quick steps, system quickly integrated. It means if there is like icon is activated, it means it's fully integration is fully ready to use. Now let's talk about how RentSyst logic integration works. Every invoice, when you close the reservation, right now we have a few types of statuses, right? You can see booking, reserved. You can see there is no icon of the Oxygen and rental. When you closing the rental order to closed to done status, right now we will make it closing. So it means that RentSyst automatically give you a possibility to send your invoice directly to your Oxygen account. You can see there's the icon here. So click on it, and it means that you're sending automatically request to upload your invoice to your accounting Oxygen system. We click yes. By this, you can see that the icon is changed the color for active. It means that your invoice for this order is delivered to your Oxygen account. And from there, Oxygen will deliver your invoice to myDATA. This is how it works, guys. I hope it was useful for you. If you have any questions regarding Oxygen integration or you need assistance how to connect it, please contact our support department. We'll be glad to help you. And thanks for watching this video. See you around.